in 30 minutes yesterday trying to trade some BTC news, and just need some help. Almost passed the trading combine and then blew up an account 3 days later. I've been there.
Okay. So, Khemrie. The most important thing that I'm getting from your question is the fact that when you start getting close to being successful in the trading combine, your mindset changes. Your mindset probably changes from looking for good opportunities, looking for opportunities that are within your trading strategy and within your process. Trades that you've hypothesized that are starting to prove correct, and then you're able to take advantage of those. You're getting to kind of a glass ceiling, right? So you're getting close to the trade, to succeeding in the trading combine. You're probably a little excited. You're going to do it this time. Let's just go get that $400, and then we're going to be moving on to a funded account. It's exciting, and I get that. And it's it's similar to setting a specific financial or time-based goal into your trading, because the market might not be big enough for you to get that $400 a day. Your strategy may not be aligned with the market state for you to get that $400 today. And then when you start having losses off of that, you're like, man, I was so close, and now I'm even further away, and now I'm upset, and now I'm just going to start doing things that are probably outside my strategy, outside my process. And most of the time when we do that, we're not making cognitive decisions. My suggestion for you, Khemrie, is to forget about the fact that you're trying to get to your profit target. Think about the day. Think about each trade as an individual opportunity. Look for risk. If you start to get upset, just make sure that you walk away. You can always come back. Maybe the next day is a day that you're going to be either more accurate with your context, or your strategy, or the strategy that you've chosen to trade that day will be more congruent with the current market state and context. Don't get upset when you don't reach a specific goal in a specific time. It is something that I wrestled with for a long time, standing in the S&P, but I'm looking for 40 ticks a day. And I can't tell you how many times I got, 38 ticks. All right, I'm up 38 ticks. My clerk says, hey, that's your goal. Let's just go. Let's just, either that or just walk away for a little while. Let's go have lunch. Let's do something else for a little while. You want to come back later? Let's do it. And I said, nah, just give me a couple of minutes. I'll pick up that extra couple of ticks, because that made me feel good about reaching a specific financial daily goal. Well, if that next trade is a loss, I'm up 38 ticks, now I'm up 28 ticks. Now I'm pissed. Now I'm like, I should have just walked away with 38 ticks. Well, let me see if I can get it back. The next trade, if that's a loss, and the next trade's a loss, now I'm probably back to break even, and now I'm really tilted. And, I've blown up thousands of dollars. I've created thousands of dollars on losing days, because all I was trying to do was get that last couple of ticks. So to make $50, I have lost thousands of dollars, because I had that goal set in my head that I had to get to in order to feel successful that day. 38 ticks times $25. I mean, we're talking about $950 in the S&Ps. A hell of a good day. Why couldn't I just accept that and walk away and be happy with it? No, I had to get that last couple of free ticks just so that I could say I reached my goal today. And, how many times that has cost me. And it's so similar, I think, to what you're experiencing, Khemrie, in the idea that we're trying to get to the trading combine goal. And, as a company that evaluates traders, we have to have a goalpost for you to get to. And in some ways, it may make it more difficult that we have that. But we have to have, some sort of goalpost with which to gauge traders. And Khemrie, you can get through this. Just forget about the profit target, take the trades. And if when you get close to that profit target again, put it out of your mind. Look for good trades that are in your strategy, and before you know it, you may look at your P&L and you may say, "Wow, hey, look at that! I did it." Get out of the market, and then get into the funded account. So, it's sometimes that financial goal has an opposite reaction. You want to get it so bad. If it doesn't go well, you double down and you continue to try harder, and sometimes in trading, trying harder just has the opposite effect. I hope that helps everybody, Khemrie, and I really appreciate that question. It's a really important question. And so just trade what you see, trade your strategy, and if your strategy is good, you will get to that goal. But try not to strive for that goal. It's almost like, when I say, if I go looking for trades, I can find a million trades, but most of them are probably not going to be that good. It's when the market comes to me and whispers, "Hey, this looks like a good spot. It's cheap. Let's try that." It's the ones that yell at me like, "You got to get that money. Let's go get that money. Let's go." When I end up in trouble, and that's impulse. When you're trading on impulse, you're not being thoughtful or cognitive in your trading. But when you have some experience and you get that intuition whispering to you, those are the things to listen to, not the things that yell at you. So I hope that helps, Khemrie, and I hope that helps everybody.
Oh, that was great. I'll throw in my 2 cents. Rule number 1 about passing the trading combine: don't think about passing the trading combine.
Right. Exactly.
Little Fight Club reference for you.